Another beautiful day, Paul says to himself as he walks to his work area. He's a supervisor today, and so far, everything is going smoothly. He even sees Jim preparing to fix a broken guard on a piece of equipment that calls for a LOTO procedure. Jim correctly turns off the energy source, and Paul can't help but feel a little proud seeing a new partner follow protocol. The pride doesn't last, though, as Paul sees that Jim does not fix locks and tags to each energy source control device. Instead, he puts the tags in his pocket. Uh-oh. Before Paul can do anything, Jim begins maintenance. A spark of electricity flashes when he touches his tools to the equipment. He is shocked backwards and falls. An electrical fire starts at the equipment. Paul pulls a fire alarm and hurries towards the fire. It's chaos. Partners are running everywhere as the sprinklers spray water from the ceiling. Marty, another partner, goes to grab the fire extinguisher, but it's not there. The fire grows. Marty finally finds the fire extinguisher, only to aim it at the top of the flames, a blatant violation of the P.A.S.S protocol. He drops the extinguisher and sees an unmarked secondary container filled with clear liquid. He assumes, hopes really, that it's water and throws it on the fire. It isn't water. Instead, it seems to be a flammable liquid chemical. The fire intensifies. Marty gives up and runs away. Paul follows suit and heads for the exit, but abruptly turns back for two reasons. To ensure everyone is evacuated, as is his responsibility as a supervisor, and because pallets are blocking the exit. Susie, another partner, is frantically driving a forklift trying to bulldoze the pallets out of the way instead of lifting them up properly. What on earth is going on? Paul runs back to check his area for partners, and he trips over boxes that were left on the floor. He crashes into a regular garbage can and knocks it over. Out of the garbage can tumble bloody tissues and bandages. Paul lies there, stunned, scared, and covered in garbage and biohazardous waste. The fire further engulfs the area around him. Paul starts to panic. The fire alarm seems to be getting louder and louder, and soon its tone begins to change. Suddenly, Paul wakes up in his bed at home, sleepy and a bit confused. He still hears the ringing. It's his alarm clock. Paul sighs with relief when he realizes it was just a nightmare. Remember, to be the best supervisor you could be, you must emphasize proactive, comprehensive, on-the-job training. Of course, you should interrupt incorrect procedure and give constructive feedback. And you should absolutely observe partners to ensure that they're following procedure and offer positive reinforcement when they do. But in addition to those actions, you should practice a simple yet powerful method. Show them the way. By being proactive and reinforcing their knowledge with on-the-job training, you give your partners the best chance of preventing serious injury. Now go share your safety wisdom.